Baby, lay on back and relax. Kick your pretty feet up on my dash. No need to go nowhere fast. Let's enjoy right here where we at.
Hi everyone, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, Creative State of Mind with Casey. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I created these quick, simple, and beautiful DIYs on a budget. If you're new to my channel, please go like, subscribe, and comment. And also, please hit that little bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Alright, let's get started. For my first DIY, I will be making a cute Valentine's Day throw pillow. The first thing you will need are these two decorative towels I purchased. There are two in a set and they were only $5 from Target in their dollar section in the front. As soon as I saw these towels, I thought they would make for a cute DIY. I've seen people make pillows before, but I never have until I saw these towels. I thought to myself, these would be perfect to make a pillow with. Now, if you have some other material you can make a pillow with, that's great, awesome. I also bought the pillow stuffing from Walmart for only $6. Now, with my hot glue gun, I'm just going to shrink a bead of hot glue right along the edges. Grab my other towel and just evenly lay it on top of the bottom towel and press them together. Even though this DIY is quick and easy, make sure you take your time gluing your towels together. Make sure your towels are even on all sides and your glue is spread out evenly as well. Now you will repeat this step on all sides, but remember to leave one side open so you can insert your pillow stuffing. And once you get your pillow as full as you want it, you can hot glue down that side the same way you did the others.
Who knows where this road is supposed to lead? We got nothing but time. As long as you right here next to me, everything's gonna be alright. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. So won't you ride with me, ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, if it's meant to be.
I don't mean to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat me right. I ain't gonna lie, ain't gonna lie, 'cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of, boy, make me believe.
Whoa, hold up, girl, don't you know you're beautiful? And it's easy to see. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just let it be. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. Baby, just...
Once you're done, you will have a beautiful throw pillow you can put on your bed if it goes with your bedroom decor, or on the couch, or on the counter. It's simply up to you, because I promise this beautiful DIY throw pillow will look beautiful in any room. For my next DIY, I will show you how I created this beautiful DIY wall decor on a budget. This really is a budget-friendly DIY because everything I used to make it only cost me less than $10. I bought this beautiful wall piece from Goodwill for only $6. I was so excited when I saw it. I also bought this beautiful felt heart from the Dollar Tree. It was really pretty. I hate I had to cut it, but for this project I had to. This is what it looked like before I cut it. Like I said, it was so pretty. I hate I had to cut it, but I had to. I also bought this beautiful love sign from the Dollar Tree for just $1. I found it in their Valentine's Day decor section, and it's actually meant for a DIY because, as you see, it has nothing on it. It's just blank. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paint it white for my sign. Now for this project, I'm just going to use simple white apple barrel paint. You can find it pretty much anywhere, but I found mine at Walmart and it was like less than $1. So all I'm going to do is use my apple barrel paint and paint my sign white. once I finish painting my letters, I want to lay everything on the board so I can see how I want everything to look. It's okay if you move things around a lot. Trust me, I did the same thing. But I knew how I wanted it to look, so I just moved it around until I got the look I was going for. Now I had to be careful applying hot glue to this felt heart because as you can see, it has a lot of spacing in it. So when you get to this part, just be careful and take your time, but not too much time because remember, this is hot glue and it hardens fast. If you want to use another type of glue, that's totally fine also. The letters are easier to glue down because it doesn't have all that spacing like the heartfelt does. So just turn your letters around and apply your hot glue and then glue your letters onto your board like so. When you are finally finished and have everything glued down to your board, you will be left with a beautiful wall decor piece that will look beautiful all throughout your house. For my next DIY, I will show you how I created this quick and simple, budget-friendly pallet wood love sign. Stay tuned. Okay, first off, you want to start by buying this heart from the Dollar Tree. I got it from their Valentine's Day decor, and it's decorated in tinsel. So all I did was I took the tinsel off of the heart frame. I first removed the love sign because I didn't know if I wanted to use it again in a previous project. So I just took it off and recycled it just in case. So after you take your love sign off, all you're going to do is cut the tinsel off of the heart frame. It's very easy and very simple.
You're the only thing I wanna touch. Never knew that it could mean so much, so much. You're the fear, I don't care, 'cause I've never been so high. Follow me through the dark, let me take you past the satellites. You can see the world you brought to life, to life.
Okay, so after you remove all your tinsel from your heart frame, you see those little pointy things around it. You just want to snap those off, and I'm going to use my wire cutters for those because it's quick and simple.
Life, to life. So love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
So after I had all my tabs cut off, I just had my husband spray paint it white for me. I just figured without the extra spacing in the heart, spray painting would be easier than painting it. I also had my husband cut me some pallet wood. I just sanded them down so it would be smooth when I painted them. Now, to hold my pallets together, I'm just going to use these popsicle sticks. And you can find popsicle sticks or whatever kind of sticks at the Dollar Tree or Walmart. They're just really cheap. And I'm going to use a lot of them because I just want everything to stay in place. Excuse my baby's little hands. He just loves watching me work. Now my palette wood wasn't even, but I didn't want it to be all straight anyway. So I just put it in a position where it would look like, you know, one side is shorter than the other side. As you can see, I'm just moving it around so it can be positioned how I want it to be positioned, which is pretty uneven, but that was the look that I was going for. Now, once I get my palette wood how I want it to be positioned, it's time for me to start hot gluing my popsicle sticks to the back of my palette wood. Now, all I'm going to do is take a popsicle stick and just run a string of hot glue all the way down and glue it to the back of my palette wood.
Love me like you do, la la, love me like you do. Touch me like you do, ta ta, touch me like you do. What are you waiting for?
once you have all your popsicle sticks glued down and your pallet wood is in place the way you want, it's time to do a simple whitewash. Now I will explain to you what a whitewash is right now. A whitewash is just basically white paint and water, and you just put it on your pallet wood like I'm about to do, just to give it a different type of color. Now as you see, it looks like weathered type of pallet wood, and that's okay, but that's not the look I was going for. I want it to be more white, and you'll see why when I'm done. Now all you want to do is, again, just get some regular white paint and water. 1 part water, 1 part white paint, and just mix it all together and just simply brush it on your wood. Now you can put as many coats as the whitewash that you want on your pallet board. It's simply up to you. I think I put about 3 coats of whitewash on my pallet board just to get the look that I wanted. But whatever look that you want, you can go for it. You put 1 coat or 2 coats or 6 coats. But just remember, the more white paint you apply to your wood, the whiter it will look. But if you want it to look really white, just put as many as you want to. But if you just want to give it a tint of white, like I wanted to, I would recommend you putting like 3 coats of the whitewash.
Fading in, fading out, on the edge of paradise. Every inch of your skin is a holy grail I've gotta find. Only you can set my heart on fire, on fire. Yeah, I'll let you set the pace, 'cause I'm not thinking straight. My head's spinning around, I can't see clear no more. What are you waiting for?
Now once you finish putting all your coats of the whitewash on your pallet board, this is what it will look like. And this is why I want to still whitewash. I just love the way it makes my wood look, especially when I add my white heart form. I just think this is a beautiful spring look. Look how that white looks against that heart. It's just so beautiful, especially for the springtime. Now, like I said in the beginning of the video, this is a very simple, easy, quick DIY project. All we have left to do is hot glue our heart frame down to our pallet boards, and that's going to be very quick and simple. Now, this heart form doesn't lay completely flat on my pallet boards, so when you get your hot glue, all you're going to want to do is just hot glue down the areas where it does lay flat, like at the top and the bottom and on your upper top sides right here. And it's okay if you don't have hot glue all around your heart, because like I said, as long as you have the top and the bottom and the 2 top sides, it will work and it will stay completely still. So once you have your heart glued down to your pallet boards, it is time to glue your love sign up here. I got this love sign from the Dollar Tree in their Valentine's Day decor section. If you watch my Dollar Tree haul, you will see what I'm talking about. And they were just $1. It was love, Valentine, and XOXO. And these letters are just so pretty by themselves, but look at the way it just pops off that white on that heart. It just stands out, and it adds so much creativity and beauty to a sign that is already so beautiful. So I'm just going to hot glue these words onto this wire frame. Now again, be careful because it has a lot of spacing and it is hot glue, and the silver letters are cool and it will cause your hot glue to harden even quicker. So when you're doing this, just be careful, but also take your time. Once you are done hot gluing your love letters onto your heart frame, you are done with your beautiful love palette sign. Again, I just love this palette love sign so much. It was so quick and easy and budget friendly to make, but it is so beautiful and you can hang it anywhere around your house. It is perfect for the spring. It goes with any decor, farmhouse decor, whatever kind of decor you got going on. It is so beautiful and I promise you will love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching that video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I hope I inspired you to go out and make your own beautiful, creative, on a budget DIYs. If you like this video, please go comment, like, and subscribe to my channel to see more content just like this. And please hit that little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload a video. Thanks!